Hi. Hi, and welcome to a tutorial on Nearpod and how to use the Draw It facility. In this particular exercise, we're going to use the text. So you can see right at the very bottom, there's lots of different things that we can do, but we're going to put some text in the answers. So if we click on the text, you'll find a little box here. Those colours will go. I mean, you can choose which colour you want. I think it's normally on blue. And you just move the text box, reduce it, just so it's about over the bit where you want to type. And the answer to that is goes. Jeremy usually goes because we're doing this in present tense. If it's not in the right place, that's not a problem. Just get hold of the little arrow and pop it in there. So next question is, so Jeremy usually goes to school by bus, but today his dad is driving. Is the answer to that. So click on the text. Again, if you want to change colour, you can do. Let's have a green this time. Move the text box to the right area. Reduce it down till it's near enough. And the answer to this one is his dad is driving. So not quite in the right place, so just take that little arrow and pop it in there. And there you go, just click out of it. And that's how you put text into a Nearpod Draw It form. Thank you.